Now we're having this sa produce and this is Hawai si Cordillera. Kahit hindi nila ako sinama doon. Slow it down.
Is Nika together with Miss Julia. For your first course, this one is called Dakliniko and Pinunog. So instead of using chicken, then alongside that's our pinunog. So instead of pork po, is we use duck's meat. So underneath po niyan is yung chicken.
Guyabano, known for its sweet, a bit tangy, and also creamy in terms of flavor. So it will add another layer of freshness and quickness to your
Before you start, you can start from tallest to smallest. Yeah, so from mushroom, kinuday, then buke.
alfalfa.
Yes. Hope you like it in your snacks.
Thank you.
So to enjoy the dish, I recommend getting a scoop of the kinilaw and a scoop of the ice cream together.
Okay.
Enjoy!
Dish is called pancit a la pogi. So it's called pancit a la pogi because there's a lot of toppings on it, like liver, and then there's chicken, crispy pork talahai or chicharon.
First, we have the bread course. So this is just a preview of what will be in our bread course for tonight. So as
We used our sourdough bread. So underneath, we have our homemade sourdough or the pan de calina. And then we have taba ng talangka.
Angel. And for your next course, this is your palate cleanser, the taho. So this is inspired.
Like it's sparkling tea, but this time in the flavors of my head chef will go to drizzle some of our sauce for your beef tang kinieng. So the sauce is made from
About to get it sick kasi yung mga bata nowadays, they really doesn't parang want farming na. Yeah, and also yung supply and demand din nung pagtatanim nila ng heirloom rice doon. It's not
baon po. We have some asin sa buyo.